Have you ever wondered how much money can be earned from a YouTube channel in India? Well, buckle up. The journey to unravel the secrets of YouTube monetization starts now. YouTube, the video sharing platform, is a treasure trove of opportunities. It's not just a place to share ideas and entertain, but a powerful platform to generate income. But how exactly? To answer this question, let's dive into the world of YouTube monetization. The first step, naturally, is to create a YouTube channel. Think of it as your personal space where you can design, curate, and present your content. It's where your creative journey begins. Now, not every channel can start earning right away. YouTube has set certain benchmarks to ensure quality and authenticity. You need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past 12 months. It might seem daunting, but with consistent effort and engaging content, you can cross this threshold. Once you achieve these metrics, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. This program allows creators to start earning from ads that run on their videos. After you apply, YouTube reviews your application, checking for adherence to its policies and guidelines. If everything checks out, welcome to the club. Now let's talk about the money. The primary source of income for most YouTubers is ad revenue, but remember, not all ads are created equal. There are skippable ads, display ads, bumper ads, and non-skippable ads. Each of them pays differently, and the revenue depends on factors like viewer location and engagement. For instance, if your viewer base is largely from India, the revenue might be different from a channel with viewers from the United States. On average, Indian YouTubers can earn anywhere between $3 to $5 per thousand views. But ads are not the only way to earn. You can also make money through channel memberships or merchandise shelf. If your fans love your work, they can choose to pay a monthly recurring fee for perks like badges, new emojis, and exclusive live chats. Or you can sell your merchandise right from your video page. So, what's the secret sauce to get more views and subscribers? It's all about creating engaging, high-quality content. Understand your audience, research on trending topics, use SEO strategies, and promote your videos on other social media platforms. To summarize, earning money from YouTube involves creating a channel, reaching the subscriber and watch hour threshold, joining the YouTube Partner Program, and then monetizing through ads, memberships, and merchandise. It's a journey of creativity, persistence, and smart strategies. So, are you ready to embark on your YouTube journey? Remember, it's not just about the money, but the joy of sharing your ideas and connecting with a global audience. The world is waiting to hear your story.